Jeff, ready? Jeff, can you get up? Hold on. Down. Get down.
Oh, shit. What fucking heck?
I need you up on me. Go low. Can you get shots off? They got us pinned. They're moving up. There's one on the other side of that stool right there. Nice shot. I got this. I'm moving across to the center building. That building. In here? Hey, I'm coming in. Black mat. Hey. He's running. Move. Lost. Yeah, we're clear. We're good. Wait. Got him. Yeah. All right, got him. Let's go. Over. Move. Alright, check the windows. Check that left side, because I know we got bodies over there. Jeff, you and I can move up on left side. Maybe, okay? Yes.